Hello and welcome everyone. I hope all of you are hale and hearty at your home. Children, today we will be discussing notice writing. What is a notice? Notice is the announcement of an event. We can also say that notice is a very short piece of formal writing. We can announce events, celebrations, appeals, invitations, and instructions through a notice. Notices are put up on bulletin boards in schools and public places where they are available for easy viewing. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards either in schools, educational institutions, or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in the newspapers. Let me tell about the main characteristics of notice writing. First of all, we'll discuss about the format. The format includes the word notice that is to be written in capital letters, then date and heading, writer's name and designation. After that, we write the content. It must answer the questions what, when, where, and how. After writing the content, we should look at the expression of the notice that relates to the overall organization and relevance of the content as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. Now, I would like to tell you about some of the topics on which we can write notice. It could be of a competition, an excursion trip, a lost and found notice, an inauguration to take place, an exhibition, a blood donation camp to be held, or any such type of event or information to be issued in public interest. Let me tell you about the contents of a notice. Always write a notice in a box. Name of the organization, institution, or office issuing it. Date of issuing of a particular notice. The heading notice is to make it very clear. A suitable description, eye-catching caption, or heading to hold the immediate attention of the reader. Purpose for which it has been written, like calling a meeting, drawing attention, making an appeal, or informing general public about some issue of concern, etc. Details of schedule, that is date, time, venue, program, duration, etc. All these should be mentioned very clearly whenever you write a notice. Let me tell you about the format of notice writing. A notice should be written in the following format. First of all, we write notice in capital form. The name of the organization issuing the notice. A heading to introduce the subject of the notice, the date, the body of the notice, the writer's signature, name that we have to write in block letters, and after writing the name, we write the designation of the person who is writing the notice. In the starting, we have to write the name of the school or institution or the company, just as it is given here, ABC Company. After writing the name of the institution or company or school, we write the date in the next line. As you all are noticing, the date is given here. After writing the date in the third line, we write the notice, and as you all are noticing, it is written in the caps form. After that, we write the subject that must be catchy and bold. After writing the subject, we start writing the body of the notice that includes reason for writing the notice, relevant event and occasion information, info about date, time, venue, etc. After writing the content of the notice, we write the name of the person who is writing the notice. After that, the designation of the person who has written this notice. I hope all of you must have understood how to write the notice. Thank you and have a nice day.